Good morning. It's Sunday morning and Grandma and Grandpa are going to come out here. This is, I don't know, they call it Slick Rock, but there's a lot of places in Moab where you can go to do all kinds of off-roading stuff with your Jeep, and I'll show you what I mean here in just a second here. This is how beautiful this place is. We are going to go make Frybread here step by step, and as we turn the corner, I want you to see how beautiful this is. This is why they call it Slick Rock, okay? Look at that. See, right there, there's a road that goes up there on these rocks, and they take Jeeps and motorcycles. I don't know what other kind, they take all kinds of stuff, but that's how beautiful this is. I came in here, I don't have to pay again because I'm Navajo, and this is called Baby Lion's Back right over here. And look how beautiful, juniper. Look at this, picturesque. Everywhere in Moab is picturesque. They go drive on these hills or whatever, mesas. This is a beautiful place. This is, she's right, this is better than the national park where you have to pay your arm and leg to get through. Look how beautiful. And look at the juniper. We're gonna go find a campground. They normally charge, but because again, Navajo Grandma is Navajo and is a part of a federally recognized tribe or Native American, they let you come here. Look at this. Oh, it's just absolutely lovely. Look, these are campgrounds out here, and people have, you know, they walk all over, and then it says do not sell food here. But Bobcat Campground, Slick Rock Bike Trail. See, look, that's what I'm saying. People are here already. It's cold, it's not warm, but we're gonna go find one place so where we can be among the rocks and make Frybread. This is gonna be my kitchen. Wouldn't you love this to be your kitchen? So we're going to come up. See, people are already here. It's 8, what time is it? 8:45. Or what?
9:25.
Oh, sorry, Grandma only has the sun in her face. It's 9:25 a.m. and look how beautiful. People are coming in here wanting to see. Look at this. And there's the LaSalle Mountains up here. And there is snow because you're going to be going up and up in elevation. But we are going to find a place where we can make our little campground and do the Frybread. I could think over here. Wonder if this would be a good place. You know, we want to be out of the way. I think I'm going to go this way. And it's called Cottontail Campground. That will be. And then you have to go a certain way and come out that, you know, you can't go against the grain. Look how precious. This is beautiful. I need a table. We saw one that had a table. And let's see. Okay, look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Oh, and this goes around in a circle. Is there a table you said? Grandpa said.
Right here.
Oh, look at this. Oh, maybe this would be good because it's downhill. Oh, we can't get across. I want it right next to, so you don't have to carry stuff all the way back and forth. Should we just go? Or go
There's another one there, there's one there, and there's
but
one
see,
over
they
there.
have this.
Yeah, there's some people driving through.
All right, we're gonna keep looking. So we decided to come here by the Slick Rock and do the Frybread over here. The other place is up the way where we went, they have gates and you have to walk. You know, Grandpa's not a walker, but anyways, it'll save him some walking to take stuff back and forth. This one doesn't have, look, perfect. You can just pull the truck up right up to this and cook. And let's see, we'll go over to this one. And I think, well, this is not bad either, right? Should we just do this one? The fire pit's right there. Let's see how beautiful. Here's my kitchen for the moment. Look how gorgeous. You're getting out the car with Grandma. Look at this. Oh, look at that. See, this is the kind of sand that Navajo tea grows in. Look how they've landscaped this. Look at that. They ride up there, and that's a slick rock up there. See, look at this. Dogs have been running all over the place. Look at this. This is going to be my kitchen here. We'll make the Frybread here. Look at this. Oh, look. We can build a fire here. Make the Frybread. And we have our, let me see. Oh. Ooh, that was noisy. We put our cooker thing on that. Look at this. Oh. Before we make the Frybread, let's see here. Ooh, something lives here. Oh my, I wonder what it is. We don't need a visitor while we're cooking. So anyways, here it is. This is our little kitchen. We're going to teach you how to measure and do the Frybread right. Because I don't want to hear this thing about none of you making pancake batter anymore. It's hilarious. You'll hear people talking, and it's okay. It'll be wonderful, and we're going to have a nice little Frybread moment here. So we'll start.